To explain concept of metallic bond, it is called as band theory. As band theory is based upon concept of molecular orbital theory, it is sometimes also called as molecular orbital theory. So band theory of metallic solids was proposed by scientist Bloch in 1928. So before going to see the concept of metallic bond on the basis of band theory, first we have to know some basic aspects of molecular orbital theory. So what is the basic concept of molecular orbital theory? Molecular orbital theory, it is mainly concerned with the formation of the molecular orbitals. So first we have to know how these molecular orbitals are formed. So atomic orbitals present in atom, they undergo linear combination of atomic orbital and there is formation of new set of orbitals which are called as molecular orbitals, which are abbreviated as MOs. For example, if two atomic orbitals are combining with each other by the concept of LCAO approximation, then there is formation of two molecular orbitals. So these two molecular orbitals, they are having different types of the energy. So out of two molecular orbitals formed, one molecular orbital is having slightly less energy, which is called as bonding molecular orbital. Another molecular orbital which is having slightly higher energy, which is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. So basic concept of molecular orbital theory is there is stated as equal number of atomic orbitals combines with each other by LCO approximation and there is formation of molecular orbitals. Out of molecular orbitals formed, half molecular orbitals are bonding molecular orbitals, half molecular orbitals are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So at start, atomic orbitals are having equivalent energies, but after combination of these atomic orbitals by LCAO approximation, equal number of molecular orbitals are formed, but out of these molecular orbitals, half molecular orbitals are having less energies, half molecular orbitals are having higher energies. So we can say that there is splitting of energy levels while formation of molecular orbitals. So keep in mind such type of the concept for formation of molecular orbitals, and let us consider formation of metallic bond by taking the example which we have taken to explain the concept of metallic bond with respect to free electron theory. So let us consider example number first, that is lithium crystal or lithium metal. So formation of metallic bond in lithium crystal can be explained by taking different examples. So here different points. So first let us consider electronic configuration of lithium. So electronic configuration of lithium having atomic number 3 can be given as 1s2, 2s1, 2p0. Then point number 2, the filled K shell, that is electrons present in 1s atomic orbital of lithium are not taking part in bonding. Then consider point number 3. So here we have to consider formation of Li2 molecule. So Li2 molecule is formed whenever two lithium atoms combines with each other. So consider this formation of lithium molecule on the basis of the molecular orbital theory. So here we are having 2s atomic orbital of first lithium atom having one electron, it combines with 2s atomic orbital of second lithium atom. So these are the atomic orbitals. So when these two atomic orbitals combines with each other, again there is formation of two molecular orbitals. So one molecular orbital which is having low energy, it is called as bonding molecular orbital, abbreviated as BMO. Another molecular orbital which is having higher energy is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. So they are splitted with respect to energy. We know that always the electrons are filled in orbitals which are having lower energies. So two electrons, they get filled in the lower energy bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, let us consider next point related with the formation of the lithium metal. So here we have to consider formation of Li4 molecule. So Li4 molecule, it can be formed whenever four different lithium atoms combines with each other. Again consider formation of Li4 molecule with respect to molecular orbital theory. So same way we have to consider electrons present in 2s atomic orbitals of 4 lithium atoms. So this is first lithium atom, 2s1 atomic orbital of first lithium atom. Then consider 2s atomic orbital of second lithium atom. Then consider 2s atomic orbital of third lithium, and consider 2s atomic orbital of fourth lithium atom. So each they are having one electron. So according to LCAO approximation, they combine with each other and there is formation of molecular orbitals. So out of 4 molecular orbitals formed, 2 molecular orbitals are low in energies called as bonding molecular orbitals. Another 2 are higher in energies called as anti-bonding molecular orbitals, which are arranged according to their energy levels. So 4 electrons, they are filled in the low energy bonding molecular orbitals. Then consider point number 5th. So as the similarly, if we consider n number of 2s atomic orbitals of n lithium atoms combines with each other by linear combination of atomic orbitals, there will be formation of n molecular orbitals. So out of these n molecular orbitals formed, n by 2 molecular orbitals are called as bonding molecular orbitals, which are lower in energy, and n by 2 molecular orbitals are higher in energies called as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Then consider point number 6. So as we go on increasing number of atoms in the lattice, that is, consider this is first lithium atom, then consider this is second lithium atom. Likewise, consider this is nth lithium atom containing 1 electron in 2s atomic orbital. So as the number of metal atoms in the cluster goes on increasing, these molecular orbitals formed, they come so close to each other, and at last there is formation of a continuous energy band. While seeing the formation of Li4 molecule, Li2 molecule, we have seen that the lower part, we have seen that half molecular orbitals are filled with electron, half molecular orbitals are empty with electrons. So as the number of atoms in cluster goes on increasing, at last all the molecular orbitals formed get compactly arranged in the unit cell of the lithium to form a continuous energy band, which is called as S band. So this S band is formed by having bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So lower part of this S band, it is due to bonding molecular orbitals in which electrons are present, whereas upper part of this S band, it is empty, it is due to anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So lower filled part of S band in which electrons are present, it is called as valence band, abbreviated as VB, upper empty part of S band in which no electrons are present, it is called as conduction band. So there is no any energy gap in between filled valence band and empty conduction band. So it is observed that electrons from filled valence band, they are promoted to empty conduction band. So due to such migration of electron from filled S band, that is valence band, to empty conduction band, the electronic transition, due to this electronic transition, this metal is said to have good conductor of heat and electricity. So this is the concept of the molecular orbital theory, in which there is formation of continuous energy band in which half part is empty, which is called as valence band. Always remember, the band in which electrons are present is called as valence band. The band in which no electrons are present or which is unoccupied by electrons, it is called as the conduction band. So due to migration of electrons from valence band to conduction band, there is conduction of electric current. So this is the concept of metallic bond according to two different theories, that is free electron theory and molecular orbital theory. Thank you.